YouTube, what's going on? What's going on? So, in today's video, I would like to talk about the four trades I took between today and yesterday. Um, so let's start off with this right here. So, with this one, by the way, with my strategy, I literally just, it doesn't matter what stock, it really doesn't matter. All of them, once they do my strategy, I just go in. I don't care about anything really. So, right here, it's oversold. So, once it's oversold, I start buying puts. So, I start buying puts right here, start buying puts all the way up, or was it all the way up? I think I just bought a couple. Bought a couple. I won my trade. I'm out. I don't need to stay in the trade forever and ever. Even though sometimes it can definitely go higher. I believe I got down here. I basically just go in and I get out. I don't really stay in the trade much, even though a lot of times it can go higher. Also, my other trade I took was right here, Hut. Hut was extremely overbought, even on a 1 day. Usually when it's overbought on a 1 day, yeah, that gets really bad, and it usually come all the way down to the opposite side. So it's like the Bollinger Band, but better. This strategy of mine. This line right here was just a set with a alarm to let me know when we're overbought, and yeah. So when I saw Hut, I was like, oh my god, I had to get into this play. Man, could have went a little bit heavier, because the 1 day overbought is very powerful. If tomorrow comes and it goes even higher, I would definitely get into it. So yeah, Hut is done. I'm done for today with Hut. I do still believe it's gonna come down to the opposite side, but I guess you just have to wait and see. Right here, our CVNA. For this one right here, I was waiting on it for a while. So right here, you see right here and right here, those are double tops. Now, not the typical double tops. Basically, overbought was right here at one point, and then the second point was right here. So, funny story with display. So yesterday, this was the top. My trust me, yesterday this was the top, right? So I swing a put about $1,000 worth, 8 contracts. I was super excited about it. I'm like, this is perfect. It was perfect setup, everything, right? This is what happens at opening. Opening came, I would have bought the puts up here, and opening came, I would have sold them somewhere down here. Easy profit, right? Wrong, wrong, wrong. So this is what happened. So because Chevron. So I had Chevron also on my list that I also saved my contract. So I accidentally bought Chevron instead. So as you can see, this stock did technically sold off. It was also technically at the top of its range when I bought the puts, which was a good thing, but it wasn't at the max top. It wasn't my A plus setup. So I was really nervous about this one. I was really nervous about this one. It did go my way, as you can clearly see, but I got out, and I believe I lost $40. So again, I was supposed to buy this Carvana, but instead I buy Chiffon. And this was not my play, but it did go my way. This was a resistance level, so I got lucky. I'll show you that I did sell it at. So what happened with this one? I lost $40, but when I sold the contract was higher than my buy price, but I still ended up losing $40. So well, I guess it is what it is with that one. So I'll show you guys proof real quick, just so you can see. So starting out right here, I bought it right here, 8 contracts, but it wasn't for CVX. It was supposed to be for Chevron. So I bought the 8 contracts. Man, if this would have went my way, I'd have made a lot of money with this play. Um, and then right here, did I buy? Yeah, then I bought another one right here. I bought another 15 I bought it right here and I sold it. Where is it? Where is it? Where did I sell it? I bought it right here. CVX, CVX. Where is CVX? Hold on, guys. Hold on. This isn't making any sense. Oh, my bad. So I bought it down here. I forgot it was yesterday. I bought it right here for 1,065, but then I sold the contract for 1,072. But Theta ate into my contract, so I still had. If I had waited just a little bit longer, I would have ended up in profit or break even for this one. But I don't know why I still lost $40 in that one. But it is what it is. So then right here, I bought 15 contract right here for $55. Then I sold it for $5 profit right here. And then, people always say there's a saying that you should not overtrade. And I don't believe that anymore, because there's no such thing as overtrading. If you have a good strategy, your good strategy could happen all day. It's up to you if you want to take it, but as long as you have the fun, there is no such thing as overtrading. That's no, I don't believe in that anymore. Um, so a second trade, Hut bought 10 contracts. Wish I went a little bit heavier, but I had to make sure I didn't spend too much cash too fast, because this could have went against me. So about 10 contracts for Hut right here. My strategy is so crazy because I'm buying puts during massive green candles. It's so crazy, my strategy. It's so crazy. Um, right. So this was just simply to buy more contracts in case it went against me. No, no, no. Actually, that's a lie. I bought four more contracts. Oh, that's a lie. Yeah, I bought four more contracts. Yeah, I just remember now because it went against me just a little bit. I had four. That's 14 contracts. Then I sold it right here, $71 in profit. This one was profit as well. This trade was profit. Forgot by how much, but so right here about 10, another 10 contracts at the same thing. But this one, not gonna lie, for this trade I got out. Got out. Um, Another mistake. I'm making a little bit too much mistakes for these trades, man. Too much mistakes. But I did get out of this trade. It's actually still currently active. I probably could have got out here, honestly. But what happened was I was watching this stock by accident. So I was in this trade, but I was watching this stock. No, this one. So I was watching this stock. So I got out based on information. So I got out a little bit earlier. Could have held it maybe a couple $2 extra, and I would have made a little bit more. But I didn't want to lose, so I got out. I rather got out. Profit for today was $100. $120 was my top, but I'll take $100 profit any day. So this is what happened with my trade. So I had CVX here and CVNA. So when I was trying to buy CVNA, I accidentally bought CVX. So that's why that happened. A couple of these puts I wanted to get into too. Some of these plays worked out in my favor, but they just didn't do what I want them to do. They end up crapping out too early for me. I wanted to get into this play. I wanted to buy some contracts, but I had earnings, so I didn't want to buy anymore. I just don't want to take the chance. But I do believe CLL is going to come down because it hit the top of the range for me. But earnings, I don't play with earnings. But let me actually see real fast before we go. CLO. What am I doing? Okay, so yeah, so it did actually. So it did hit the resistance right here. The top was from about right here up. It was the top for me, and it's a 1 day top as well. So to me, this is the top of the range, and it usually do a pullback. But because it's earnings, I don't like gambling because I don't no, I don't like gambling. So I let it be. I could have get into this one to make it the fourth trade of the day, but I was like, nah, nah. It's not over trading, but no, I don't do earnings. Earnings happens not it's not for me. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next trade. Peace.